Uses and benefits of Multani Mitti. If you grew up in an Indian household, you can probably think back to your childhood days when you'd come back from school and your mom or dad would apply Multani Mitti paste on your face and hair, with or without your willingness to let them do so. Most likely you didn't value their efforts back then. But it's time to change that view because Fuller's Earth, also known as Multani Mitti, is just the right home remedy ingredient you need to address all your skincare woes. Multani Mitti is generally used with water to make a fine paste. The natural ceramic elements make the clay an elasticy texture when mixed with water. This makes it easy for application on hair and skin. Let's take a look at the huge number of benefits of Multani Mitti on the face and hair. 1. It controls excess oil. Oil control is one of the best Multani Mitti benefits for the face. For this reason, it's commonly an ingredient in commercial face packs. It works wonders for acne-prone skin and can also help to remove scars and blemishes. It helps in lightening skin and reducing dark spots and melanin formation, and can even control your complexion and render a natural glow to your skin. 2. Cleanses and exfoliates skin. An exfoliating Multani Mitti mask will help you get rid of excess oil, dirt, and dead cells caused by pollution. Be sure to scrub gently and avoid leaving the mask on for more than 15 minutes. Just combine 2 tablespoons of basic Multani Mitti clay with 3 tablespoons of water. Mix in a tablespoon of honey, then apply over your face and leave it on for a few minutes. Scrub the mask on your face with circular motions. Then wipe the residue off with a steaming washcloth. If you have sensitive or dry skin, be sure to add a few drops of sweet almond oil to the mask for extra nourishment and moisturization. 3. Reduces neck darkening. Multani Mitti is an excellent cleansing agent and has highly absorbent qualities. Its cleansing properties pull out the dirt from the skin and help to prevent darkening of the skin on the neck. It works by lightening the skin and removing the pigmentation, and regular use can render a glowing neckline. 4. It reduces dark patches. On a similar note, because Multani Mitti is rich in minerals, it helps to reduce the dark patches from the skin and gives it a naturally flawless look. To reduce dark patches, you can prepare a homemade face mask using Multani Mitti, yogurt, and mint powder, and apply it topically. Multani Mitti can flush out the toxins from your skin. Yogurt can naturally moisturize it, and mint powder can soothe and cool it. This can be especially beneficial for sunburnt skin. 5. Natural sunburn remover. Suffering from bright red, sunburnt skin? Multani Mitti is one of the most effective ingredients to treat this problem. A simple clay pack with Multani Mitti, coconut water, and sugar can be the best treatment for sunburnt skin. Not only does it offer relief in treating the burning sensation, it also lightens skin and removes that streaky darkness that can sometimes form when your burn turns into a tan. 6. Reduces inflammation and irritation. Multani Mitti heals skin irritation and has a soothing effect on the skin. It has antiseptic agents and healing properties that reduce inflammation, and is particularly effective in naturally reducing rashes and redness. Just apply a face mask of Multani Mitti and rose water for near instant relief. 7. Unclogs pores. Oil glands on our skin can sometimes produce excess sebum, which blocks our pores, and dead skin cells inside the pores clump together along with sebum and hair and remain trapped under the surface. Clogged pores are behind the dreaded whiteheads and blackheads. Besides, they make your skin look dull. Multani Mitti deeply cleanses your pores and gets rid of not just the dead skin cells, but also the excess sebum. You can unclog pores with a face mask made from Multani Mitti, yogurt, and an egg white. Just mix a 1/4 tablespoon of Multani Mitti with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 beaten egg white. Then leave this paste on your face for 20 minutes before rinsing it off with cool water. In addition to deep cleaning your pores, the yogurt in the mask will ensure moisturization, while the egg white will help balance out any oiliness in your skin. 8. Fights acne. Multani Mitti is a must-have in your armory of acne-busting products. Since it cleans out your pores, it prevents them from getting infected with bacteria, which leads to dreaded breakouts. Its high lime and magnesium chloride content is also believed to kill harmful bacteria. Besides, Fuller's Earth has anti-inflammatory properties that contribute to its acne-busting properties. You can make an acne-fighting face mask from Multani Mitti. Just mix 2 teaspoons of it with 1 teaspoon of neem paste, 1 teaspoon of ground clove powder, 1 teaspoon of rose water, 1 teaspoon of camphor. Apply this to your breakouts and leave it on for 15 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. The rose water in the mask will prevent your skin from drying out and retaliate with excessive sebum production. Neem, ground clove, and camphor are popular acne-eliminating ingredients. The mask may also help reduce acne scars. 9. May reduce signs of aging. Aging is something that's inevitable, but we still have the power to slow it down. A few studies have shown that Multani Mitti may be able to even out your complexion and reduce wrinkles. And since it also cleans your skin and pores, it's bound to make your skin look younger. You can make a face mask to tackle aging using 2 teaspoons of Multani Mitti, 2 teaspoons of carrot pulp, and 1 teaspoon of virgin olive oil. Apply this paste on your skin and leave it on for 15 minutes before washing it off with warm water. Carrot reduces skin damage caused by UVA and UVB rays, while olive oil ensures moisturization and evens out your skin tone. If you've got a sunburn, consider adding yogurt instead of olive oil to this mask. 10. Can fight under eye circles. The tightening effect of Multani Mitti on the face enhances the microcirculation under the skin, which is why it's an ideal topical for dark circles. Since dark circles are formed due to the lack of oxygen under the thin skin around the eyes, the clay can stimulate the movement of oxygen through the capillaries in the area. The tightening caused because of the hardening of clay also lifts the skin, preventing fine lines. 11. Relieves oily scalp. Considering the fact that Multani Mitti is the ideal ingredient against oily skin, it should come as no surprise that it also eliminates excessive oil from the scalp. In fact, the earliest varieties of dry shampoo contain Fuller's Earth. It soaks up any excess oil and reduces greasiness. You can make your own hair cleanser by soaking Multani Mitti in a bowl of cold water for 3 hours. Next, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of soap nut powder to the mixture. Then after 30 minutes, massage the mixture into your scalp. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes and wash it off with cold water. 12. It may fight dandruff. Since Multani Mitti has antibacterial properties, it might double up as an anti-dandruff ingredient. Regular use of it should reduce itchiness associated with dandruff as well. You can make an anti-dandruff hair mask by mixing 4 teaspoons of Multani Mitti, half a cup of yogurt, 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey, and 2 to 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. Apply this mixture on your hair, leave it for an hour, and rinse with lukewarm water. The yogurt in this mask prevents hair fall and conditions hair, while honey moisturizes and lemon adds to the anti-dandruff properties. 13. It may strengthen your hair. While this has no scientific research to back this particular benefit up, folk remedies to straighten hair naturally include Multani Mitti. Regular use of the ingredient as a straightening mask may help you avoid resorting to excessive heat straightening treatments, which we all know do more damage to the hair than good. You can make a hair straightening mask by adding 5 teaspoons of rice flour to 1 cup of Multani Mitti and 1 egg white, then mixing them together to make a paste. Apply it to your hair, leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes, and rinse off with a mild shampoo and a natural conditioner. Then wash with cold or lukewarm water. How much Multani Mitti can you use? Multani Mitti is natural and works for all skin types, but for oily and acne-prone skin, the results are more pronounced. You'll find that skin looks mattified and even after use. However, it's important to take the mask off before it reaches the super dry phase. Multani Mitti is applied to the skin in the form of a damp paste, which is when the skin absorbs all the nutrients from it, while it soaks up all the grease. At the beginning of the drying phase, the paste tightens and stimulates blood flow as the mask cools and contracts. This is the ideal time to take the mask off, when it's tacky to the touch. Once it gets too dry and hard, it starts to pull out moisture from the skin's surface, leaving it dehydrated and itchy. Be particularly cautious if you have sensitive skin. The mask can feel like it's pulsating on the skin due to its contracting properties, which might be too strong a sensation for some skin types. Applying a clay mask is best done once or twice a week, as excessive deep cleansing can leave the skin barrier out of balance. When too much oil and sebum is absorbed, your skin can start to overcompensate and create even more oil to hydrate the skin. A guaranteed acne producer. Always apply a moisturizer after removing the mask to rebalance your skin. Finally, some people swear by the benefits of ingesting Multani Mitti. There are numerous side effects of eating the stuff, such as lower potassium levels, intestinal bleeding, and breathing problems. There are no scientifically proven benefits of eating Multani Mitti, so avoid it at all costs. Stay sensible and only ever apply it topically to your skin or hair. Some people would consider Multani Mitti as nature's best gift to mankind, and we definitely put it up there at the top. It's easily available. You can buy it from health retail stores or from pretty much anywhere online, and can use to treat a whole host of ailments and skin problems. Multani Mitti is usually bought in powder form, which is then mixed with a liquid to create a gel-like consistency. Just remember to be careful with the quality of the Multani Mitti you buy. It's also best to make your own Multani Mitti face packs, as commercial products tend to be loaded with chemicals and may not be very effective. If you don't have the time to make your own, be sure to buy from trusted brands. Multani Mitti isn't just a cosmetic product, it's an age-old tradition recommended by grandmothers and mothers from across the world, particularly in India, to attain healthy-looking skin and hair. Try it if you're unfamiliar with it. You might just find a new obsession.